Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to review Beauty Secrets Stainless Steel Blackhead Remover Toolkit pack of 5, available on Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, Nykaa, and this is non-sponsored video. Price is 410 rupees. I had bought this from the Flipkart in the discounted price 359 rupees. Made in China product. Material is stainless steel. To remove stubborn blackhead and pimples, these tools are used. Our hands are touching all kinds of objects in daily life, so there are lots of bacteria on our hands. If you use them to squeeze the pimples, it may cause inflammation, infection. This toolkit helps to easily extract stubborn blackhead. How to use? The curved tweezer used for clipping out blackhead. Looped heads are used for squeezing out stubborn pimples, blackhead, and whitehead. Note: please keep the kit out of reach of kids. Before using, please clean the face and apply some lotion on the blackhead or hot compress to help to remove blackhead more effectively. Please clean the tools, also disinfect them with medicinal alcohol before and after each use. Here is my review. I have used this 2 to 3 times, not more than this. Use this once in a month. I didn't use all the tools yet, but I didn't like that blackhead remover around looped tool. It is way too thick as compared to that Vega's blackhead remover tool. Vega's blackhead remover tool was much more good as compared to this. I prefer that tool. Otherwise, the quality, packaging, everything is good. I can't say this as useless. Of course, it is useful. Some blackheads and whiteheads, especially around the nose, are not easy to get rid of them. So, I use this. Buy this only if you really feel that you need quite costly but good one. I liked. I don't know how to use all of the tools, but seems good. If you are also using these tools, then you can share your review in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.